Welcome to Microsoft Power App Training. In this video, we'll discuss Office 365 Outlook connector and we'll send an email from the Canvas application. So for that, I'm going to this Power App Studio. Here I'm trying to create a blank Canvas app and I'll give a name it as, or I'll name it as Outlook connector or Outlook. And I'm taking the tablet layout, click create. So it will create a blank app for us. And here what we can able to do is we can directly go to this data and we can hit add data and you can type Outlook. You can able to see this Office 365 Outlook, so which is actually the cloud based service, and that is designed to help meet your organization need for your robust security and reliability and user productivity. So we have couple of options, but this Outlook is used to send an emails to any other, like maybe if you want to send it to an external client or maybe internal, you can able to do that. And also we have one more Outlook connection is available, and it allow user to manage your emails, calendars, contacts, everything how we can do in the Outlook, we can able to do that. So I'm not going to connect with this Office 365 Outlook or outlook.com. So what I'll do is I'll try to create a new screen. When you hit this new screen option, you can able to see a different type of screens are available. Inside that we have an option name called email. So when you mouse hover on this email, you can able to see this Office 365 Outlook and users will connect email composition screen. So we'll try to create this email one. It will take some time to make the connection and also add into our screen. Now which is added, and also you can able to see, so total three different type of two different type of connections, and one collection is also created here. Now one is Office 365 Outlook connection, so which is taken account called support@rishansolutions.com. Another one is Office 365 users connector, so which is also support@rishansolutions.com. And finally we have a collection, so we'll use these all if required. Now so the screen is created already, and when you try to run this one, you can able to see the two address, and you can able to search the people from here, and we have a subject and we have a message as well. So I'll try to give a email ID as support. I'm taking directly support account. I'll select this support, and if you want to add one more account, you can able to add. So whenever you try to search a user, and when you click on it, and it will show the username like this, and the subject you can able to add here, and this email sending for demo, and message which I'm typing here is, and hi, I'm just writing hi support, this is a this is for demo purpose, please disregard. I'm just writing thanks, and I'm sending from Power Apps. Done. So here we have an option to send, and when you click this one, it will send an email to this account. I'm clicking send option now, which is sent, and now here you can able to see the two subject and message, and a mail is also already sent, and you can able to see this email sending for demo, and which is come from support, and it is also sent to support, hi support, and this message we have written in the mail body. So this way you can able to do that, but here we have not written any formulas, but the formulas which is already written in the backend, we'll check it out for that. So if you click this tree view, here we have screen 1, and which is an empty, and the second one is screen 2, and this is not required because there is nothing in the screen 1. I'll delete. Now we only have screen 2 here. In the screen 2, so we have this label. If you click this one, you can able to see this is just a label, and we have written as an email here, and we just like they already designed it. We are not did anything here. And here we have a send option. When you go here, you can able to see a formula called Office 365 Outlook dot send email. In this, we have couple of properties. We'll discuss about that properties. Before discussing that properties, we'll try to write the same formula here. I'm writing this Office 365 Outlook dot send email. So when we write this send email, the first parameter is the to address, and to address we are taking from this email recipient string, so which we are passing here. And the next one is subject. You can able to see the subject is we are taking from here, and now you can able to see this one also here, the color which is defined here. The next one is the body is we are taking from here, and this section, this multi-line of text we are taking into the third parameter. Now you can able to see the third parameter is body, and after that we have couple of properties. So when you go here, you can able to see the to address, subject, body, and you can have this from text or cc text also you can able to pass here, and by cc you can able to pass here, and attachment, if you have any attachments you can able to pass, and if you have any sensitivity you can pass the sensitivity, and if you want to have the reply to, and you can pass the reply to as well, and if it is an important you just simply pass the importance, which is a normal importance, or is html, you can pass is it a true or false in the is html. So this is a formula which help you to send the email. But here in the set email recipient string, which is taking from the my people is a collection which we discussed, and it is taking from that, and there is one more mail they are concatenating, and then they are separating the emails with a semicolon. See, this semicolon will help you to separate the emails when you are working with Outlook, and you can able to separate the emails with the semicolon. When you are working with an external emails, might be a Gmail. If you are working with a Gmail, the comma would be the separator between the emails, but when it is coming to the Outlook, the semicolon is the separator between the emails. So that is what they did here for the set. Now I'll remove this one. So this one they designed and we are utilizing it. So instead of this one, if you want to create, you can able to create a new one, and you can also use a button to send an email. So what I'll do is I will take another screen here, but I'm not gonna write a complex logic here. We'll simply take something here like I'll insert something like a text box. I'll take a text input here. I'll remove this one, and then we'll add a label here. I'll remove this one. I'll make this as to address, and we'll try to increase to 18, and here also I'll try to increase to 18, and then copy this to and paste it out here. We'll make this to subject, and then we'll take one more text input. I'll make that here, and this is not single line, it would be multi-line, and we'll insert one more label in front of this, and we'll make that as body. Okay, we are done with this one, and then we'll remove this text input from here. Done, which is empty. Now I'll take a button, insert a button here, and then we'll make this as send, and I am changing this from 15 to 18, and we'll make a little bigger. or if you want to use an icon here, you can able to use an icon, or you want to insert icon on it, you can able to insert an icon on it. So we'll see, do we have any icon, which just before we have seen in the screen number 2, there is an icon which is showing that send option. I'll take this one and we'll put somewhere here. We'll change this one to left alignment and we'll place this one in the middle, or you can do whatever you like, you can do whatever the way you want. So finally what I want to write here is, and I want to write an send email from the Outlook. So for that I'll remove this one and I'll type this Outlook. So we have actually Office 365 Outlook dot send email. So I'll take this one, the to address I'll take from this, so which is nothing but text input 1, and the subject is text input underscore 1, or otherwise we'll rename this one to understand better. Now I'll make this as 2 and I'll make this as subject. I'll change this to subject, and finally we have this, and I'll rename this one to mail body. So I'll type like this. So we have this mail body. Now here when we are typing here, the to address will take from the to.text. I'll type to.text, and then the next one, which is asking for the subject, which we can take from this subject dot text, and then finally we have this mail body. We'll type this mail body, which is wrong. I'll type this one as email, no, which is a mail body, and this one dot text. Now when I close this one, we don't have any error, and then so once it sends, and we'll try to reset these all. So I'll do this reset to, which is a control. I'll take this reset to, and then we'll type reset, and then we'll reset the subject, and finally we'll reset the mail body. Select this mail body. Okay, we are done with this one. So when we run this, here I'll type the email address as support@rishansolutions.com, and the subject is this is a demo email, and here in the body I'll write hi support, this is a demo mail. We'll write thanks, and then we'll type Power Apps here. So when we click this send, and I'm expecting, so once we click this send, and this mail body will go to this support mailbox, and it will clear out this one. So I'm clicking this button, and when we click this one, so this all cleared, and if you go to your mailbox, and here you can able to see, and you got the email saying that hi support, and this is a demo mail, and thanks Power Apps. So this way we can able to connect with the Office 365 Outlook, and we also have a lot of properties in the Office 365 Outlook connector we'll use in the upcoming videos.